Hey y'all, Amanda here, and today I wanted to film for you guys a little unboxing of what came in my Hungry Harvest box. I haven't filmed one of these in a while, so I figured today is a great day, why not? So let's go ahead and open it up. And so I think I did add on a few things. Yeah, I'll point out the things that I added on. And I think eggplants were supposed to be in the box, which means they will have subbed them for something else that was not originally going to come, because I have eggplants on my do not send list. If eggplants are in something, I'll eat them, but I never end up cooking them myself, so that's just that. So the first thing on top are these, why am I blanking? Spring onions, and I added these on. I love spring onions. These look really thick and healthy and beautiful. I'm really excited to have those. Then we have celery. I believe this was part of the box selection. I added on this white asparagus because we just haven't had asparagus in a while, so I figured why not. Looks delicious. It's nice and thin. Austin prefers them thin to thick. He thinks they cook through nicer. Then we have some little tomatoes. These were part of the box, although it is something I usually add on. I just didn't this week since I did see they were coming in the box. Oh, and my other spring onions, I ordered 2 of those. I also added on garlic because we're pretty much out of garlic. Then we have some broccoli, or is this broccolini? I don't know, I left my phone on the other side of the room and I'm not going to get it to actually pull up the list and look at it, but yeah. We'll just call it broccoli. I love broccoli. I actually have a box of Taya mac and cheese, the new one with the little fake bacon bits. So I'll probably be adding that to that. Then we have some kale. This kale looks beautiful, some nice curly kale. And I think these are grapefruits. So here's 3, there's another one in the front. That's 4. I'm actually going to push this box forward a little bit so I can start sitting things in front of me. We have a bag of carrots, always useful for salads or cooking things. Nice large head of cauliflower. Then we have a cantaloupe. Is that what these ones are called? I don't know. What's the other one? Honeydew. I don't think it's a honeydew. I think this is a cantaloupe. Austin will love that. I don't like melon very much, but Austin will eat that up. Then we have some bell peppers. A bunch of bell peppers. Very nice. I added these on. This is a 1-pound bag of Majul dates, and they are huge. These are big, juicy ones, so I'm very excited about that. I love Majul dates. And then we have some radishes. These are gorgeous. We tried growing radishes one year and it did not go very well. More avocados. Did I add the avocados on? No, these were in the box. Usually I will add the avocados on if they're not in our box already. And then what do we have in here? I think this is mushrooms. Yep, we've got a bag of creminis. Is that everything? Yep. So that is everything from my Hungry Harvest box this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have my little link down below for Hungry Harvest. It's not directly an affiliate link. They give them to everyone who signs up for the box. But if you're interested in checking it out, you can use that down below. I think you get $5 and I get $5 or something. One of those kind of deals. And yeah, I hope you liked the video and I'll talk to you all later.